Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Mansur Ali Abbasi, mathematics teacher, Pakistan International School, Taif. I am going to teach you mathematics, grade 6, video 4. Dear student, today, lecture number 4 is about the exercise 2.1, chapter number 4, chapter number 2, the whole numbers. Before starting the exercise 2.1, dear student, I have to few points for your discussion. Keep them in your mind. Here, first learning tip is the successor. Successor means after just 2 is the successor of 1. 1 is the successor of 0. Just 4 is the successor of 3, and so on. After that, predecessor. Predecessor means before. Its example, just 1 is the predecessor of 2, 3 is the predecessor of 4, 4 is the predecessor of 5, and so on. Dear student, third point for your discussion is consecutive. Consecutive means one after another, means continuously. Continuously, like 1, 2, 3. Fourth point is whole number. Mostly we say if we add 0 in the natural numbers, we will get the whole numbers. And whole numbers in set form, these numbers are represented by the capital letter W, and in curly brackets they are written 0, 1, 2, and dot dot. Here students, I have a number line, and number line definition. A number line is a visual representation of all real numbers. Real number can be positive integer and negative integers. Means they are also called the directed numbers also. Real numbers are also called the set of integers. Integers are also called the directed numbers, and it is also important that we keep the plus or minus in front of their sign. Dear students, the last topic that we have to discuss today, lecture number 4, representation of the whole numbers on a number line. Now, here we are going to start the exercise 2.1. Write the successor and predecessor of the following numbers, and they are here. I would like to tell you that successor we mostly take by adding +1, and predecessor we take by subtracting -1. Subtracting 1 or -1 from the given value. Dear student, here we have the 5 parts, 5 sum about the successor and predecessor. Sum, successor, predecessor. In sum, we have to just add +1 in 36, we will get the 37. And predecessor, we will do -1 in the 36 and we will get the 35. In the same way, in 74, successor we get by adding +1, and the successor will be 75, and predecessor we get by subtracting 1 from 74, and we will get a 73. Dear students, here in the same way 199, its successor is 200, predecessor is 198. In fifth part 350, successor is obtained by plus 1, that is 351. Predecessor is obtained by minus 1, that is equal to the 349. Now here in fifth 789, successor is obtained by 789. We will add plus 1 and successor will be 790. Similarly, we have 789. Predecessor we get by minus 1 and it will be 788. Dear student, question number 1 is completed. That was about the successor and predecessor. You know that successor means add 1 in the given number. Predecessor means subtract 1 from the given number. And similarly, you can say 36, predecessor 37, successor 35, 74, successor 75, predecessor 73, 199, successor 200, predecessor 199, 98, and 350, successor 351, and predecessor 349, and 789, successor 790, predecessor 788. Dear students, here we have to start the question number 2. Write the three next consecutive whole numbers starting from the 509. Consecutive, I told you, next one after another. Here, no any space we have to put there. The number that we are told 509. After 509, we have a 510. After 510, we have 511. After 511, we have a 512. These are the consecutive three numbers starting from 509. Dear student, in question number 3, write the natural number smaller than 6. We know that natural numbers start from the 1. So that's why we have to write the numbers which are less than 6 start from the 1 because of the natural numbers. Natural numbers less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope understand. Okay. Dear students, in question number 4, in each of the following pair of the numbers, state which number is greater. This is also your, I think, previous practice also in your class 5. We have to identify from this pair which number is the greater number 435. From this pair, the greater number 989. From here, 1010. From this pair, the greatest number is 5342. Dear student, from the 5, the greatest number is 10,100. From this number 1,300, 13,971. 13,971 is the greatest number. Dear student, I hope you understood. Here, I'm going to start the question number 5. Write the whole numbers. And in whole numbers, you know, the number which we have to mention, they will belong to the whole number. And whole number start from the 0. Dear students, here some mathematical signs, some mathematical symbols I would like to think important for you before start the question. Dear student, the first sign, it is the right opening. It is less than or smaller than. Second, left opening. It is greater than or bigger than. And this sign consists two meanings. First, it is right opening, so it is less than. And second, equal. So it's how we have to read it. We will read it is less than or equal to. Or you can say is smaller than or equal to. Dear students, in the second, this is also mathematical symbol, but it consists two meaning. First is the greater than, second is the smaller or equal. Greater than or equal. Dear students, so that's why you will write here. You can write also is bigger than or equal to. Is greater than or equal to. It depends upon the statement of your question, that what kind of the statement is there and which sign we have to use. Dear student, here some related tips I have sought out from the question. That like this, if the symbol is like this, and after that there's the number, then but, then symbol, then number, how we will read it? We will read it greater than, but less than. And here less than but greater than. And here is the two signs. Here are the two symbols. So we are very careful about that. It is less than or equal to. Means you will start from the less than or equal to the number which you have to less than, the number which is given after the sign, you will start from there. And after that second condition, here is the greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. We will start from the same number. And similarly here, greater than or equal, here less than, here greater than, but here less than or equal to means we will include the number which is after this sign. Similarly here, we will start greater than or equal, but less than or equal. We will start from the small to big number. Dear student, here the question is started. This is the question number 5. We must be here. Number 1, what we are given here, less than 15 means 14. But greater than 9 means we have to start from the 10. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Smaller than 7 means that is the number that we have to start from the 0, because 0 is the part of a whole number. We will write the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Third part is the greater than 5. This is the greater than 15. Greater than 15 means you will start the 16, 16, 17, 18. Dear students, here just we have the part number 4. It is the greater than 73 means it starts from the 74, and less than 99 means we have to keep it less than 99. Less than 99 means up to the 98. We will start from the 74 and keep it at the 93. Here just the question number 5, less than or equal. Less than means you will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These numbers are mentioned opposite of this question. Dear students, we have the question number 6, that is greater than or equal to 5. And this will be 5, 6, 7. Same way, we have the here number less than or equal to 11. Means we have to, less than means start from the, just here start from the 0. And it will be end on the 11 because it is two meanings we have here, less than or equal to. Similarly in 5, greater than or equal to means you start from the 5, 3 numbers 5, 6, 7, then keep the dot. And here you start from the smaller number. Smaller number is here, greater than 57 or equal to 57. Start from the 57 and keep it end on the 64. 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. Dear students, here we have the question number 8. Alhamdulillah, it is also same. Here we have the smaller number 82. You will start from the 82 and less than 94 means keep it unending 93. Start from the 82 and ending here, we will write here. So dear student, here similar way, we have the question number greater than 23. Greater than 23 means it start from the 24. And less than or equal to 34 means it will be completed or it will end at the 34. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. And in this last question number 10, we have the greater than or equal to 48, but less than or equal to 51. Dear students, the number are 48, 49, 50, 51. And the same way we are there in question number 6. This is the last question, but before that, we should be aware from the questions that we are here. Dear student, we have to start here question number 6, and it is about the number line. Number line, you know that visual representation of the line. Visual representation of the number on a number line. Visual representation of real numbers on a number line. Dear students, real numbers should be, maybe positive, maybe negative. So therefore we have the first number 0, 3, 5, and 9. So that's why number line, we have started from the here. We have started from 0 to the 10. And which number we have to mention? Here, 0, 3, 5, 9. And you know that these numbers are, you can write in a box, you can write in a circle, you can write in a bold form, anything. You have the option. But before that, you will tell. Here, the number 4, 8, 12, and 30. Number line is started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here. Now the number that we have to mention here, that is 4, then 8, then 12, then 30. This is answer. Dear students, after that, we will show here the third question. That is the less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3. Dear students, here 1, 2, up to the 10. And these numbers you will mention 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, here the mathematical form is given, less than or greater than or equal to 74. You will start from 74. Okay, write any few numbers, 3 or 4 or 5 numbers. I have mentioned many, but you can place only 3 numbers. And number line will start from 73 up to the any 3, 4, 5 numbers. And you have to, and then dot dot. These numbers I have left. And you write them in red color. Dear student, the question number 5, greater than 4 but less than. Greater than 4 means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Less than 12 means 11. And similarly, these numbers are written in a red. Now here, similar, greater than or equal to 6 but less than or equal to 50. So you write the 7, 8, 9, 10 up to the 15. And then start the number line from here up to the 16. Now keep these numbers in a bold form or in a red color. Just I have written. Dear students, the question number 7, that is the last question of this exercise. Find the sum of the following numbers by using the number line. Dear students, here you know that 1 plus 3, it will be 4. Just I have mentioned here. Just I have mentioned. So first you will draw 1 plus 3. How we have to move? After 1, we have to move 3 steps forward. We have to step 3 steps. We have to move 3 steps after 1. So you will first show the 1 from 0 to 1. And after 1, how many steps? 3. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 4. And same way here, 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Here also 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Dear student, here is the 3 and 4. From 3, we have to move 4 steps. 4 steps from 3. First, we locate the, we will first mention the 3 from 0 to 3. and then four steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. At the fourth step, we get the answer 7. And that's why it is 3 plus 2 is equal to 7. Dear student, the question number third, 2 and 9. From 2, we have to move 9 steps. First, we have to arrange 0 to 1. 0 to 2, sorry. 0 to 2. From 2, how many steps? 9 steps. We have to move 9 steps. We have to move 9 steps here. Just we will see from 0 to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At 9 step, we get the answer 11. And definitely in mathematics form, you can write also 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Here also 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. So dear student, this is the end of our lecture. Before ending, I would like to share few points for your information. Finally, these all questions that I have done one by one. No single question I have left unattempted. So please, you have to repeat and you have to understand and you have to review my complete lecture, and then you have to consider what are the problems for you. You can share with me. And you have to only practice on your copy. You have to practice only these same questions. Even then you have problem, you will share with me. By the grace of Allah, we will meet again in the coming lecture. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.